understanding smart microwaves and sensor cooking.
Smart microwaves are a step beyond traditional models. With built-in sensors and intelligent features, they make it easier to prepare food with better results. Instead of relying on fixed times and power levels, these microwaves use advanced technology to analyze what's inside and automatically adjust the cooking process for each meal.
How sensor cooking works.
Sensor cooking relies on humidity and temperature sensors to monitor food as it cooks. As the food releases vapor, the sensors detect changes in steam inside the microwave. By measuring this, the microwave estimates how much longer to cook, stopping automatically when it senses the food is ready.
Detecting food types for precise cooking.
The smart microwaves often use preset programs that recognize common foods, like popcorn, vegetables, or leftovers. Some models ask for food type and weight, while others detect characteristics of the food automatically. This information helps tailor power levels and timings, leading to more even heating and fewer overcooked or undercooked spots.
Adjusting power and time automatically.
Once sensors gather enough data, the microwave's built-in algorithms adjust both cooking time and power intensity on the fly. This means your food isn't blasted with constant heat. It's cooked in phases, optimized for what's actually happening inside. The result is better texture and taste without the guesswork.
Benefits of sensor cooking in everyday life.
Makes microwaving foods simpler and more reliable. You don't need to remember exact timings or worry about dried-out meals. Instead, you can trust the microwave to deliver consistent results, save energy, and reduce waste from overcooked food. It's a smarter, more convenient way to prepare everyday meals.